Good evening, student. I am the faculty of mathematics of every class 6 to 12. Today, I will discuss of NCERT books. NCERT books of class 10. And I discuss arithmetic progression of chapter 5 of NCERT books. Arithmetic progress is discussed in chapter 5. So, what is called arithmetic progression? In short, AP. A for arithmetic, P for progression. P for progression. Arithmetic means a number of pattern, a number of systems, and progression means progress, that is increasing order, in increasing. So arithmetic progress is a sequence of a sequence of number where every term of this sequence are found by adding a particular number. Here you see that, for example 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and that's. Here you see that in a number of sequence, here the first term is 3, second term is 5, third term is 7, fourth term is 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and that. Here we call this system of numbers, or sequence, arithmetic progression. Why? Because a definite number 2 by add every number of the sequence. See, 2, when I add 3 plus 2, I find 5 of the second number, and when I adding 5, we find third number, fourth number. By adding by adding a definite number 2, how will find a definite number called common difference. Common difference is a difference of two numbers. Here you see that 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Each and every terms we find that 2 is the difference of two numbers, and so it is called common difference, common of all terms. And in the first term, we see that 3 is the first term, and common difference is 2. But this is the progress of numbers. Here we easily say that what is the what is the fifth term of the sequence? It is easy to say that. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth term of the sequence of arithmetic progression is 11. Can you easily see that? But when I find 1000 term, 1000 term, when I find 1000 term, how will you find that 1000 term? This is the not easy. Is it easy? Not it easy. So in formula basis, we see that an called nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. n minus 1 into d. A is called first term of the sequence. First term. D is common difference. D is common difference. Here you see that 2 is the common difference. A is first term is 3 and n is nth term. Nth term of the AP. So it is the formula of nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d. Let me discuss it briefly by an example. You see that? Let me write. First term is 5, 9, 17, 25, 29, 33. This is the sequence. This is the arithmetic progression of. Here we see that A is 5. That is first term. First term is 5. Common difference. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Common difference find. Second term minus first term. Common difference 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So by formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. When we find 10th term, that is a 10 equal to a is 5 plus n 10th term 10 minus 1 into 5 plus 10 minus 1 d value of d equal to 4. 10 minus 1 9 into 4. 5 plus 36 plus 5 41. Therefore the 10th term of the progression is 41. How? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 9 term is 33 plus 4. It is 37. 37 plus 4 41. This is the answer of the nth term, that is 10th term. it is easily find. It is easily find any number of the sequence. If we find 25th term, then we easily find, because n is 25, and the rest of the numbers are same. First term is same, common difference same, just varies nth term. That is, here we 10th term and here we 25th term. Then when I find 25th term, we put n equal to 25. N equal to 25. This is the formula of the arithmetic progression. n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is first term, d is common difference, and n is nth term of the progression. Okay, this is the end of video.